Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how to do the radial blur. Pretty self-explanatory. I know most people probably know this, but I'm just going over it just as a benefit basically. That was my cat. So I'm going to show you how to do it on a stack, and the same principle applies for all type of edits. So whether you're doing a manip or an extra edit or anything, that is how you do it. So you've got the edit in front of you. You want to duplicate it, so Control and J. Oh, well, if I'm clicking on the right thing. And then you want to go Filter, Blur, Radial Blur, 100%. Get your eraser as big as possible and then erase the bits you do not want, or you want to keep rather. Like that, and then obviously just put your PSD on if you want it. Obviously, the easiest way of doing it rather than erasing it, you could mask it. Make sure it's black and mask it this way. At least that way, if you delete something, you can like just remove it rather than doing what I just did. I do like the idea of having the background, the texture in it, but if it's not going to work, I won't have it. And then you can just put whatever PSD you want on it. If you obviously a PSD like that, you're not going to see it on, unless you make it opace it slightly or change the opacity. But yeah, that is generally how you tend to do it. If you want to make it smoother, then obviously once you flatten it, click filter, do your topaz clean or your layers and everything. Like so. And if you sharpen it as well or whatever you want to do, that one like make it a bit brighter for you or a bit more standouty. But I hope that helps. Like I say, very brief tutorial, but I'm just going over it so you're aware. If there is anything that you don't like about it, then obviously you can change it around. There's the flexibility with PSDs, or using the way I've just shown you as a template, whatever. It's getting late, my brain's fried, but I hope this makes sense. Any questions, just let me know. And sorry for being a short one, but I hope it helps.